Fool me once, fool me twice.
They gon' love me for my ambition.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Ambition, right? So today we're going to talk about clip-ins again, but this one's going to be different though. So we're going to be talking about BetterLength hair. So as you can see, the packaging is super cute. I love me a good packaging. I love me a good silk bag. So I love that for me. And they sent over some thread and some extra clips, which I think is awesome to have. You can never have too much of that stuff. So thank you, BetterLength hair. The texture that I got is in 3C 4A. They actually have tons of different types of textures on their website, so it's for everyone. They have Kinky Curly, 3C 4A, 4B 4C, 4B 3C, 3A 3B, Blowout, Straight. There you go. So they're known for their clip-ins to fit your whole head. So it comes with 10 pieces in one bundle. Yes, sis. 10 clip-ins in one bundle. So you could definitely rock this on your whole head, which a lot of companies don't do. So I ended up shampooing and conditioning the hair beforehand. They recommended that and I wanted to do that anyway. And I did get minimal shedding, as you can see here. So I love that. Okay, so we're gonna end up doing a twist out today just because, yeah, I know I don't do wash and goes. But maybe in the summertime I'll kind of circle back and show y'all how this looks with the wash and go. But this is what the hair looks like. It dried a little bit. It feels nice and soft. And right now my hair is freshly washed with leave-in conditioner in my hair. I have the Miche leave-in conditioner in. So I'm going to go ahead and do, let's see, I think 2 braids in my hair.
Too upset to drive you, getting on my nerves. We gon' get lit on this ride. I look too damn good to fight. Don't expect me to come home tonight. Don't worry about me, see you in the morning. Bet you never thought that I would leave. Think I had about enough. I mean, hold up, you could call me on my bluff. I ain't coming, don't wait up. You gon' miss this body, too late, oh I'm sorry. Bet you never thought that I would leave. Had about enough. Hold up, call me on my bluff. I ain't coming, don't wait up.
Alright, so I did 2 braids in the front, little 2 braids at the side. I'll add a little razzle dazzle in the morning. Products that I use, it really isn't important in this video, but if you want to know what I use, you can check the description bar and it'll be in there for you. Go ahead and cut these bundles because I kept it in this. Again, 1 bundle equals 10 clip-ins. Okay, sis? You can do your whole head. So that's basically what we're doing today. So honestly, the reason why I have been really liking clip-ins is because everyone and their mama is rocking the headband wigs. And it's like now when I see headbands, I will assume it's a headband wig and I will assume that it's not your hair. So yes, I am judging you from afar. But no, seriously, like headband wigs are cool, but wigs are still very heavy to me. And I don't like to have to like twist my hair down, and it's just, I don't want to. Wigs are heavy and it's getting hot. So clip-ins, in my opinion, I want sometimes to have a style where it's not just a headband wig or just a wig in one way. But clip-ins, you can do so many different styles and you have the most natural look, right? As y'all know, I'm a low density girl. Where my low density girls at? Because you know we're a gang up in here. Leave a comment below so I know who you are. But for me, I need volume. And when I want volume, I have to use heat on my hair most of the time. But when I don't want to do that, I opt for clip-ins. Because when I want volume, I want it now. Instantly. Today. In a second. So, clip-ins is where this comes in. Alright, so 10 bundles. Let's see how many we have. We have, whoa, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A 5 clipper. Alright, sis, I got it. We have 4 2 clips, 2 5 clips, 2 4 clips, and a 2 3 clips. Yes, that equals 10. Yes. Ooh, this quality of the hair feels really good, I must say. And I'm not even lying, like, I could tell the quality was there when I washed them and barely any shedding came out. And look at this curl pattern, like it, well, obviously my hair is drying now, but you're going to see how this blends is. It's going to blend seamlessly. Okay, so I think I want to start with a 3 clip. So the way to know what fits best is to just kind of like put it up to the back of your head and kind of see. We don't want clips showing.
I ain't coming, don't wait up. Can't ignore my intuition, baby. I know you're typing every game you try to play. You know you could get replaced, cause I won't track around all day.
Alright, and like I said, I'm doing a twist out, but this is how my hair honestly looks like. Like, you can't even see what my hair is. And I already mentioned, because someone's going to ask me, this is in 16 inches, the clip-ins what I got. So the clip-ins don't have any product in them. My hair does. Where's that, sis? Where's that, sis? 3C4A gang. Alright, again, products doesn't matter, so I'm just going to proceed and use... I am using a twisting cream today. No gel, just because I don't want to weigh this hair down. I don't want to weigh my clip-ins down. So I'm just going to only use a cream. Make sure I'm covering my clip-ins too. Like, y'all can't tell me this isn't my hair. So this is my hair and the clip-ins. Yeah.
Wait, hit up my girls. Pull up, I'm outside, yeah. Waiting by the curb. Too upset to drive you, getting on my nerves. So we gon' get lit on it.
That don't make no sense. Right, so I'm gonna put another 3 clip. Oh my god, these clip-ins feel really good.
I look too damn good tonight, and I just wanna have a good time. Don't worry about me, see you in the morning. Bet you never thought that I would leave. Think I had about enough. I mean, hold up, you could call me on my bluff. I ain't coming, don't wait up. You won't.
I just wanna show y'all how crazy this matches like my hair, and then I put this on top. Or like to the side. You can't even see. It matches very well. Okay, so I have all the twists in my hair and I have only 1 clip-in left. I really try to do, you know, all the clip-ins, but I didn't need all of them. But it just goes to show that 1 pack with 10 clip-ins is enough to do your whole head, sis. Like, honestly, I'm so excited to take this out in the morning. So I'm going to let them air dry and then we will see what it's looking like. So far, they're super lightweight too. So I know like having 10, well 9 clip-ins could feel like it's a whole wig. But no, it actually feels very lightweight and fine. I think it's more so the fact that they're wet is what making them a little bit heavier than they normally would be. But feels good.
The next day.
This body, too late for I'm sorry. Bet you never thought that I would leave. Had about enough. Hold up, call me on my bluff. I ain't coming, don't wait up.
Okay, so although the hair is still wet, I did go underneath the dryer and everything, but I did my hair super late last night at like 12. So me low porosity, and then the extensions were super wet. But I think it still came out really good. What y'all think? Honestly, this looks like my hair. Like, point blank, period. I added beads to the 2 little braids right here. And then, you know, little gems right here. I feel like that added to this look. My hair is wet in some spaces. However, it's blended very well. You can't tell me nothing. If you do find that your hair is shorter than the extension, you can always take your hair and wrap, like right here, and wrap it around the extension and kind of tuck it in, then you won't see it. Yeah, this is definitely the volume that I desire. Definitely check out BetterLength hair. Everything will be in the description bar for y'all. I think, honestly, I prefer these clip-ins because I can do my whole head as opposed to like little pieces here and there. If you like that look, that's cool, but I like a fuller look sometimes, and this is definitely a vibe. The color I think is a natural, and my hair is a 1B, but you can't even tell the difference. So I'm here for this. And it's super lightweight. I slept in them as well, and it was cool. So like I said, check out BetterLength hair. Everything down below, sis. Everything. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.